kiss the Son, lest he become angry. Is that really the way King David wanted to begin the 12th verse of the 2nd chapter of Psalms? The first two words inside of Psalm 212 are nashku var. Now, in most Christian translations, this is translated as kiss the Son. But let's break this down. Let's look at these first two words. The first word is nashku. Now, nashku has a modifier at the end of it. That vav, the final letter, tells us it's speaking to a group of people. So we can isolate the root of that word, which is nun, shin, and kaf. Open any concordance or dictionary or root finder, and you'll see that there are two definitions for this word. The first definition is to arm oneself, to prepare for battle. The second definition is to kiss. Obviously, the Christian translators liked the kiss definition better. But what are they kissing? Let's ask the question, what is the second word? If you look at Psalm 24 verse 4, you'll see that the Christian translators translated this word var as pure. That's because the Hebrew word for pure is var. And yet we somehow got son in here. What is going on? Here we go. Here's where things get really ugly. Have you ever heard of a bar mitzvah? Bar mitzvah means son of the commandment. So the word bar can mean son, but here's the catch. It's in Aramaic. Aramaic is a sister language to Hebrew, but it is not Hebrew. Now, King David wrote the book of Psalms in Hebrew. There's not a single Aramaic word to be found anywhere. Christian translators of this verse wanted you to believe that this verse has a Christological message. They wanted you to believe that God is directing you to kiss the Son. And they even go so far as to capitalize the S when they translate it. Now, remember, there are no capital letters in the Hebrew language. Moreover, if this had been a Hebrew word and bar really meant son, there would have had to have been a definite article. There would have had to have a hey in front of it, which means the. There is no definite article here. One more thought. If King David really wanted to use the word bar, the Aramaic word for son, he could have used it in verse 7 of the same chapter of Psalms, but instead he used the Hebrew word ben. So why would he just switch to Aramaic randomly? So what's the correct translation of this verse? Arm yourselves with purity. Work on being righteous. Do good things. That is definitely not what the Christian translators wanted you to know. As they say, what you don't know can hurt you.